Welcome back. In part 1, we covered 9 reasons your potted plants are dying. In this video, I am covering the 10th and most overlooked cause that most plant owners never think to check, and a complete step-by-step recovery plan to bring any dying plant back to full health. Let us get straight into it. A root-bound plant has completely outgrown its pot. The roots have filled every centimeter of available space, started circling around themselves, and are pushing out through the drainage holes, searching for more room. When this happens, the roots can no longer absorb water or nutrients properly. They are too crowded to function. The little soil that remains dries out almost instantly after watering. Water rushes straight through the pot because there is almost no soil left to hold it. The plant starves and dehydrates simultaneously, even when you are watering and feeding it regularly. From the outside, it looks exactly like overwatering or nutrient deficiency, which is why so many plant owners keep treating the wrong problem. How to diagnose it? Roots growing out of drainage holes. Water rushing straight through immediately after pouring. Plant drying out much faster than it used to. Tip the plant out of its pot. If you see a dense solid root mass with almost no visible soil, it is root-bound. How to fix it? Repot into a container one size larger. Not dramatically bigger, just one size up. A pot too large holds excess moisture the roots cannot absorb yet. Gently loosen and untangle the outer roots before placing in the new pot to encourage outward growth. Use fresh potting mix and water thoroughly after repotting. Most root-bound plants show visible improvement within 2 to 3 weeks of being repotted. Check your root system every spring. It takes 2 minutes and saves months of slow decline. Once you have identified the cause, here is the recovery plan that works for every single problem we covered across both videos. Step 1. Remove all dead material. Cut off every dead leaf and brown stem with clean, sterilized scissors. Dead material drains the plant's remaining energy and spreads disease to healthy parts. Cut aggressively. Removing dead growth only helps the plant focus its energy on recovery. Step 2. Examine the roots. Remove the plant from its pot and check the roots. Healthy roots are white and firm. Rotting roots are brown or black and mushy. Cut every rotting root away cleanly until only healthy white tissue remains. This does not harm the plant. Leaving rotting roots does. Step 3. Treat for pests if needed. If you found pests, wipe every leaf surface including undersides with a damp cloth. Then spray thoroughly with neem oil solution. Repeat every 7 days for 3 full weeks. One treatment is never enough to break the complete pest life cycle. Step 4. Repot into fresh soil. Fresh potting mix restores nutrients, improves drainage, and gives roots room to recover. Use a pot with good drainage holes. Position the plant at the same depth as before, and firm the soil gently without compacting it. Step 5. Fix the actual cause. This is the step most people skip. Fixing the plant without fixing the cause means the same problem returns in weeks. Change your watering routine. Move the plant to better light, set up a humidity tray, or whatever the specific fix is for your identified cause. Step 6. Recovery conditions and patience. Place the recovering plant in bright indirect light. Maintain consistent moderate moisture. Do not fertilize for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Stressed roots cannot process fertilizer, and it causes further damage. Wait for new growth. A new leaf emerging is your sign that recovery is underway. Most plants show improvement in 2 to 4 weeks. Severely stressed plants may take 6 to 8 weeks, but with the right conditions, the vast majority of dying plants can be fully saved. That is the complete guide. 10 causes, and a recovery plan that works for every single one of them. Whether you are growing in a small apartment, on a balcony, or anywhere with no backyard, your plant can be saved. If this helped, subscribe for more practical apartment and container gardening tips every week. Drop a comment telling me which cause matched your plant. I read every comment and will personally help you through your specific situation. Part 1 is linked in the description if you missed it. Thanks for watching. Your plant is going to be just fine.